Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show some quick and easy steps on how to redeem UGC codes in Roblox. But let me explain what UGC code is. UGC codes are usually given out during events, brand partnerships, or creator giveaways. Codes are one-time use only and may have expiration dates. Now let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. Then go to the official Roblox UGC redeem page, that is www.roblox.com/redeem. In the box that says enter your code, type or paste the UGC code in that box. Now click on the redeem button. If the code is valid, you'll see a success message saying the item has been added to your inventory. If the code doesn't work, make sure you typed it correctly and it hasn't expired. To view your new UGC item, go to the avatar section or open your inventory. And look under accessories, clothing or recently acquired. And that's how you can redeem UGC codes in Roblox.